Hello. These are my full-scale weapons of Halo 3. They made 5C, the assault rifle. I completely covered this in plaster that's solid. I still haven't made the clip yet, but that's probably my best. That's my strongest weapon. It's plastered, and I also made a battle rifle as full scale clip. This one has not been plastered yet. The scope. Oh, and it's got a ammo counter. That's it.